Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss about one more problem of mathematical induction. Now let us start the class. If the sum of n terms of a series is 2 power of n plus 1 plus n minus 2, then nth term is how much? So options also given here. They are 3 power of n minus 1. Second option is 2n plus 1. Third option is 2 power of n plus 1. Fourth one is 3n minus 1. See here, in this question, the sum of n terms of a series is given here. So that is nothing but 2 power of n plus 1 plus n minus 2. Okay, so we have to take here, that will be Sn 2 power of n plus 1 plus n minus 2. Okay, so we find out the nth term of given series. Clear? So here observe this one. Suppose we are taking n equals to 1. N equals to 1. Put n equals to 1. Then what we get here? So 2 power of 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 2, that equals to 2 square minus 1, 4 minus 1, that equals to 3. Okay, so put n equals to 1 in LHS or RHS. Then what we get here? S1 we get here. Okay, so the series begin with 3. We know that here. Okay, so the series begin with 3. First term of given series we write here. Then after we find out its second term. How to find out second term? Suppose put n equals to 2 in this series, we don't get second term. Why? Because this is the sum of total series, that is. But we are getting first term. Why? Because in LHS, in RHS, substituting 1, then we get a first term of that series. It is over. Now second term, how to find out second term? See here. See here, the series begin with 3, that equals to plus up to so on, that equals 2 power of n plus 1 plus n minus 2. Okay. Now 3 is there here. 3 shifted to this side. What we get here? See here, that is nothing but 2 power of n plus 1 plus n minus 2 minus 3 we get here. Now we take here n equals to 2, we get a second term of that series. Okay, so what we get here? 2 power of 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 2 minus 3 we get here. Put n equals to 2, what we get here? 2 power of 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 2 minus 3. So plus 2 minus 2 both are cancelled. We get here 2 cube, that is nothing but 8 minus 3, that is 5. Now we got here second term of that series, 5. Okay, now we find out a third term, same as usual, and remaining 5 also take this side. Then after n equals to 2 we substitute here. Okay, so what we get here? 2 power of n equals to 3, that implies 2 power of n plus 1 plus n minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Why? Because second term is 5. 5 also take this side. Okay, so what we get here? Now 2 power of 3 plus 1, that is 4 plus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. So plus 3 minus 3 both are cancelled. 16 minus 7, 16 minus 7, that is nothing but 9 we get here. Okay, so we get a third term also. Okay, So what is the difference here? 3 plus 5, 3 plus 2 is nothing but 5, 5 plus 4 is nothing but 9. Okay, so then after what we get here? So okay, now next term, how to find out next term here? Suppose put n equals to 4. Okay, n equals to 4. We are substituting one more, take this side, then what we get here? That is nothing but plus 3 plus 5 plus 9. So we are adding this elements here. That element take this side. Okay, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 9 is nothing but 17. Okay, so 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 9 17. So that will be also fourth term also we get here. So observe this one, how to get here? 2 power of n plus 1 plus n minus 2 minus 17 we get here. Now put n equals to 4, what we get here? 2 power of 5 we get here plus 4 minus 2 minus 7 we get here 17. So what we get here? 2 power of 5 32 plus 2 minus 17. So 34 minus 17 is nothing but 17 we get here. So given series is in the form of 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 17 plus 33 up to so on. That equals to 2 power of n plus 1 plus n minus 2. This is the series. Now we find out the nth term of this one. So 3 can written also 2 plus 1 and 5 can written also 2 square plus 1. 9 can written also 2 cube plus 1 and 17 can written also 2 power of 4 plus 1. 33 can written also 2 power of 5 plus 1. Observe this one. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. Now you will write simply nth term. So what is that one? 2 power of n plus 1. So that is nothing but third option is the right answer. That equals to 2 power of n plus 1 plus n minus 2. Okay, so this is the nth term of a given series. Okay.